Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Vertex AI unifies data, training, and serving on Google Cloud infrastructure. It consolidates services so you avoid stitching multiple tools together. This unified path is the only way I recommend for production readiness. You can use managed pipelines, auto ML, or custom containers within Vertex AI. Each option supports reproducible workflows and consistent deployment patterns. Security and IAM integrate with Cloud IAM and VPC for safer production models. Vertex AI reduces ops work by offering managed training, hyperparameter tuning, and scaling. This minimizes infrastructure burdens and lets you focus on first, enable Vertex AI API and assign roles like Vertex AI Admin and Storage Admin. Create or select a project and set billing to ensure quotas like training hours. Prepare labeled datasets in BigQuery, Cloud Storage, or Vertex datasets with schema and split for train and test. Clean and normalize features before uploading to avoid training skew. Use service accounts with least privilege and enable VPC-SC for sensitive data protection in production. Tag resources and configure regional endpoints for latency and compliance requirements. Validate access with G-Cloud Auth and IAM Simulator before running jobs. Start training with Auto ML or use custom training containers and specify machine types like N1 Standard 16. Use managed training with distributed workers or single node for smaller models. Track experiments with Vertex Experiments and log metrics to cloud monitoring and cloud logging. Deploy models to endpoints with auto-scaling, traffic split, and request logging enabled for observability. Secure endpoints with IAM, request-level authorization, and network restrictions. Monitor predictions, set alerting for drift, and retrain with scheduled pipelines when performance drops. Export model versions and use rollout strategies to validate new models in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.